You don't see the things I see. I tell you things you won't believe. Above the skies overseas, I hear them all, those places calling me. To never give up, to never back down. You get through the storm, even the nights the darkest before the dawn. Live your life, live your dream. It's the sound of soul in me. Live your life, live your dream. Oh, you in when you believe. It was not easy from the start. There were days when I fell apart. Just keep following your heart.
You know, a teacher never teaches. The student learns. This is very important. A student must inspire the teacher to teach, or else there's no point in it. They say, I've heard this from Shivji and so many other artists, that knowledge is like a fast-flowing river. And that river is passing through, just like Lord Shiva, Ganga passes through him. The river of knowledge passes through a teacher, a guru, a friend, a mentor. It doesn't matter. And it's up to the student to be able to get a cup out of that river, or a bucket, or a truckload out of that river. It's up to the student. And so whenever I played in the room and I was practicing, I was always looking to see.
Let us enter into the world of yoga.
Sangachadvam samvadadvam, Sangachadvam samvadadvam, Samvo manamsi janatam, Samvo manamsi janatam, Deva bhagam yatha purve, Deva bhagam yatha purve, Sanjnana upasate, Sanjnana upasate, Sanjnana upasate, Sanjnana upasate, Sanjnana upasate, Sanjnana upasate.
The yoga practice would end with Shanti Path, or the universal prayer for everyone's peace and prosperity.
I was broken from a young age, taking my soak into the masses, writing my poems for the few that look at me, took to me, shook at me, feeling me, singing from heartache, from the pain, taking my message from the veins, speaking my lesson from the brain, seeing the beauty through the... Hey, you burn me up, believer, believer. Hey, you burn me up, believer, believer.
The plan is on.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು?
ಚೇತನ್ ಅಂತ.
ನೀವೇನು ಓದ್ತಿರೋದು?
ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಓದ್ತೀವಿ.
ಎಂ.ಕಾಮ್ ಓದ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಈಗ 6 ಮಂತ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಎಂ.ಕಾಮ್ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. 6 ಮಂತ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಈಗ ನಿಮ್ 6 ಮಂತ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ, ನಿಮ್ ಎಂ.ಕಾಮ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಾ?
ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು.
ಮಾಡಿ, ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು?
ಎಂ.ಕಾಮ್ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ, ಬಟ್ ಡಿಗ್ರಿಗಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿನೇ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ನಾಲೆಜ್ ತಗೊತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ಈಗ ಲೆಕ್ಚರ್ಗಳು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ತುಂಬ ಲೈಬ್ರರೀಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬುಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಸಿಗ್ತವೆ.